Hello everyone, quick video on how to replace the rear lens here light on an Astra H. So this is a UK car, but it should work anywhere around the world. So open this, and then inside you've got these two plastic retaining screws that you can unwind by hand. Unwind that by hand and they should just pop out, and then you've got the connector, which I'll show you in a second. So let me unwind those two, pull this out and show you the connector bit. So welcome back. So undone those two, so it should just pop out like this. Okay, just be gentle, be careful. There's the connector there. I'll just show you. I'm doing it like this. Normally I would tell you to open the connector from the inside before pulling it out, for just for demonstration, because this shows a better light. So all you do here is just press down here like so, and then pull, and there you go, it comes off. It's as easy as that. This is how it looks. If we got a part number anywhere I can show you. No, can't see a part number, it's all too grimy. But the reason I'm changing it is there's a crack at the bottom there. Oh, here we go, part number for you. Ta-da. Okie doke. And then the fitting process is the same. All you do is see these little grommets there, guiding grommets I call them, and then the true bolt bolt connectors. The bolts go in there, and then those guiding connectors are there. So when you push this in, just make sure the two guiding connectors are aligned, and then it just pops in nice and easy. And then all you do the inside, click that in, and then hand tighten with those screws, and that's it. Brilliant work. I was going to say Volvo, Vauxhall. Nice and easy job. So let me get that done. Okay, so I was going to show you once this was fitted in, but actually let's have a little challenge. Can I get this on there, do it one-handed while I'm videoing? Let's see. Right, so what I've got to do is not drop it. See this grommet one down there, I need it to fit in there. Once I've aligned that, the rest should, he says, be okay. So once I get that done, and just push that in. Okay, so seems to be all in. So now it's going to be boring me hand tightening that, so let me just do that bit without boring. And there you go, all done. I've hand tightened those, pushed that connector back in, and it works. A treat. Again, to do a bit of a repair there, but otherwise there you go. Hope that helped. Like and subscribe. See ya.